Good evening, friends. Hope you all are doing good. Today, let's begin with a simple problems of arithmetic progression. Here we have to check the given equation or the given question or given sentences arithmetic progression are there or not. Let's begin with simple problems. See the question here. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Here the fare is 15 for first kilometer. Observe here, taxi fare for first kilometer. Taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 for first kilometer. Fare is 15 for first kilometer, means taxi fare is how much? 15 for first kilometer and 8 for additional kilometer. For second kilometer 8 will be added. Therefore taxi fare for second kilometer is 15 plus 8 according to question. For first kilometer it is 15. For second kilometer it is 15 plus 8 because for first kilometer the taxi fare is 15 and 8 for each additional kilometer. If you add 1 kilometer extra to that, it become 8 will be added for each kilometer. So 15 plus 8 is 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 3 23. Same way, taxi fare for third kilometer is 23 plus 8. Therefore 23 plus 8 is 31. Same way, taxi fare for fourth kilometer is 31 plus 8. 8 will be added for each kilometer. 31 plus 8 is 30 plus 8 is 38. 38 plus 1 39. Therefore now we will write the taxi fares, all the taxi fares. For first kilometer it is 15. For second kilometer 23. Third kilometer 31. Fourth kilometer 39. Now we have to see this is sequence or not. How to check? With the help of common difference. T is equals to T2 minus T1. This is T2, this is T1. T3, T4. D is equals to T2 is equals to 23 minus 15. Formula for D is T2 minus T1. D is equals to T2 is 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 is 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15. Therefore 3 minus 5 not possible to subtract, so we have to borrow 1. It become 13 and 2 it's converted into 1. 13 minus 5 is 8. 1 minus 1 0. Our answer is 8. Same way I will check the next one, it is sequence or not. Next one directly I will write now. 31 minus, that is what, T3 minus T2. 31 minus 23. Therefore 31 minus 23 is 1 minus 3 not possible to subtract, so I will borrow 3 converted into 2. 11 minus 3 is how much? 8. 2 minus 2 0. Therefore this sequence is an AP. So the above sequence is arithmetic progression because term is 8 more than the preceding term. Term is 8. 15 here, what is there? 8 is there. Next 15 plus 8 23. Next 23 plus 8 31. 31 plus 8 is how much? 39. So this is an EP. Now let's move to next question. Now the next question here is the amount of air present in a cylinder. The amount of air, sum of the amount of air is present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4. When a vacuum pump is there that removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Means one cylinder is there. In this cylinder, the amount of air present in a cylinder, some of the amount of air is present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump is there that removes 1/4 of air, remaining in a cylinder at a time. Means the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air. Means 1/4. First we understand what is the meaning of here 1/4. 1/4 means here we have three types of things like for this is whole one. For this whole one we have 1/4 that is equals to 25. We consider it as like this. Next 1/2 that is 50. Next 1/4 1/2 3/4 that is 75, and full one that is how much? That is 100 or full. In this it is what? 1/4 means here we have, for this cylinder we have 4 parts. For this cylinder we have 4 parts that I will draw the 4 parts here. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. At a time the vacuum pump removes this part that is denoted as 1/4. This hole, in this hole we have the vacuum pump removes this much of air at a time. Okay, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air. Vacuum pump removes 1/4, this much part of the air removes remaining in a cylinder at a time. Now check again, vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air. Again vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the air. Okay, we have to check this is an AP or not. Now let us assume that x unit of air present in the cylinder. We don't know how much amount of air is present, but vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air. So vacuum pump removes how much air? 1/4 means the unit of air. How much air? We don't know how much air is there inside the cylinder, so I will write x here. Okay, x. In this x, vacuum pump removes how much air? So here this is an vacuum pump. This vacuum pump removes this much part of the air. This whole vacuum gas we consider it as x. In this x it will remove how much percent of gas? 1/4 of this gas, that is x. So our we have x minus 1/4. So here we don't have any sign, means that is what is equals to 1x. This 1x, whole x is how much? 1x minus 1/4 x. If you take common means x will go outside. I will take 1 minus 1/4. So our value is 4 is LCM. X is equals to x into 4 is LCM. 4 on the x is LCM. So for x as it is into here 1 minus 1/4. So we have to do the LCM. If you do the LCM, see, divided by 4. 4 is the LCM. So I will write 4, and this number we have to multiply with this 4. This number we have to multiply with this our LCM. 1 into 4, 4 minus again this whole number we have to multiply our LCM with our LCM. See, 1/4 into our LCM 4. For multiplication signs, these two will be cancelled, 1 remain. Therefore our answer is 4 minus x into 4 minus 1 is 3. 3/4. Therefore 3x by 4. It is in into sign, you can write here or here. Here the total gas or total air present in a cylinder, that is considered as A1. Now 1/4 of the air is removed. So here 1/4 of the air is removed. Here this is air, total air. In this air 1/4 of the air is removed. So this is A2. Now we have to find out A3. Before we find out A3, we should understand this one first. The total gas which is present in this inside the cylinder is X, that is A1. In this total gas we removed total air. In this total air we removed 1/4 of the air. So we will get our value 3x by 4. Same way, now A3, how to find A3? We will take this value 3x by 4 minus 1/4, because each and every time 1/4 of the air is removed. So we will write 1/4 of 3x by 4. So our answer it will become 3x by 4 minus 1 into 3, 3x, 4 4s are 16. Here we have to find the LCM for 16, and for LCM is 16. How the LCM of 4 and 16 is 16? 16 and 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. Again 4 1s are 1s are. Therefore this is the LCM, least common factor. 4 4s are 16. So I will write our LCM is 16. Now the next procedure is we take this number 3x by 4 into, have to multiply with this LCM. 4 1s are 4, 4s are 16. Again we have to multiply with this. 4 3s are 12. So I will write 12x. Same way, the formula we have here minus sign, so this minus sign I will write here. Okay, now I will take this number 3x divided by 16. 3x divided by 16 into 16. Into is there, we can cancel this one. So I will cancel here 16 and 16. What remain? 3x. So I will write 3x here. Now I will subtract with this 12x minus 3x. 12 minus 3x means 12, 11, 10. Okay, if we remove this 3, it became 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12. Okay, divided by 16. Therefore, we can write this as 9 divided by 16. Now, same way, here you got A3. Here you got A2. And here you got A1. Now we will do common difference of this term. D is equals to T2 minus T1. What is our T2? Our T2 is 3x divided by 4 minus T1 is our T1 or A1. T1 or A1 is our x. So I will write x. Now here also plus or minus sign with division is there. We have to go for LCM. So I will write LCM here. LCM of 4, nothing means you have to write here 4. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4 only. So I will take this number 3x divided by 4 into, I will multiply with this LCM 4. 4 4 get cancelled, 3x minus, I will take this one minus for this according to the equation we have minus sign here. So I will put the minus sign same, and I will take this number x divided by 1 into 4. So this will not cancel, so I will multiply this one. X into 4 is 4x. Therefore 3x minus 4x is minus 1x divided by 4. This is our D. Again I will check with one more equation, that is T2 minus T1. This is A1, A2 and A3. Same way, once again I will write here x sequence I will write 3x by 4 and 9x by 16. This is the sequence T1, T2, T3. I check T2 with T1. T2 with T1, 3x by 4. 3x by 4 minus x. That is our answer is minus 1x by 4. That is equal to x by 4 minus x by 4. We'll check this one with T3 and T2. D is equals to T3 minus T2. Therefore, D is equals to T3 is how much? 9x by 16 minus 3x by 4. Here also 16 and 4 already I did here LCM 16 and 4. 16 and 4 LCM is 16 only. So again I will not do. Okay, let it be. I will do here. 16 and 4 LCM. 16 and 4 LCM is, we have to multiply with 4 first. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. Again 4 1s are 1s are. Here 4 4s are how much? 16. So LCM of these two number is 16. Now we have to take this number first. 9x divided by 16. So I will write here 9x divided by 16. Therefore, we have to multiply with LCM into 16. 16 get cancelled. 9x will remain. Minus, according to above equation, minus 3x by 4 multiply with this 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are. Okay, now 3 4s are 12x. Therefore 9x minus 12x is, here minus sign is greater, so we have to write first minus sign, then we have to subtract. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is 9 after 10 11 12. 3 remain. 3 divided by 16. Our answer is not, our answer is, our common difference is improper, or our common difference is wrong. So the given sentence, the amount of air present in a cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in a cylinder at a time, this sentence is not accept the arithmetic progression. Now let's move to next question. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it's cost 150 for first meter, means the cost of digging for first meter is 150. So I will write here when it cost 150 for first meter, already given in the question. So it cost 150 for the first meter. So I will write cost of digging for first meter is 150. Okay, and rise by 50 for each subsequent meter. Okay, once again, the cost of digging a well, after every meter of digging, when it's cost 150 for first meter. See here, for example, here if you have a well. Okay, you have a well. The cost of digging for first meter is 150. Okay, now for second meter is 150 plus 50 will be added, because according to the question, see, its cost is 150 for first meter. For first meter the cost is 150 and rise by 50 is subsequent meter. Here the cost of up to here, for here the cost of digging will be 150 plus 50. Again here the cost of digging for second meter is 150 plus 50, that is 200. Same way, cost of digging for third meter is 200 plus 50. Therefore 200 plus 50 is 250. Same way fourth meter is 250 plus 50 is equals to 300. So we will write the AP. Our AP is 150, 200, 250, 300. Let us check this is AP or not. We know D is equals to T2 minus T1. T2 is 200 minus 150. 200 minus 150 is, how to subtract this? See here, 200 minus 150. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 we can't able to subtract, so we will borrow 1. This became 10 now, and this 2 becomes 2 is converted into 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. 200 minus 150 is 50. Same way D1, D is this one. Next 250 minus 200. 250, that is T3 minus T2. 250 minus 200 is 50 only. So this satisfies the fixed rule. So we call this equation is an AP. So given equation is AP, arithmetic progression. So let's move to next question. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% annually. So I want to tell you what is compound interest first. Before I want to tell you this compound interest, I will explain you simple interest. Simple interest. We have formula for simple interest, PTR divided by 100. Simple interest means if you keep 1000 in your bank, this 1000 for 1 year, you will get some of the profit with this 1000. Okay, if you kept it for 1 year, your 1000 you will get extra 1000 plus something. With the help of this formula I will tell you how much will you get after 1 year. So we have formula. See, P is equals to principal. This is P is equals to, so once again I will write simple interest is equals to PTR divided by 100. Therefore P is principal amount, that is 1000 what you gave in the bank, 1000 into time is 1 year into rate of interest is there. Rate of interest, I will tell you the rate of interest. Let the rate of interest be 10. Okay, rate of interest be 10%. So how much will you get after 1 year? We will, with the help of this, we get the answer. See, into divided by 100. This all into 0 0 get cancelled. You will get 10 into 10, 100. This is our interest for first year. For second year you will get, for next year what is the simple interest I will tell you. Now you have 1100 in your bank, 1100 in your bank. They will give 1100 sum of the interest for 1 year with 10%. This is for second year. Okay, this is for second year. Now you have 1100. Okay, 1100 in your bank. Again, this is for next year. For first year you have 1000, you got the interest of 100 because of 10%. Okay, for 1 year. Same way you have now total 1100 rupees. 1100 rupees in your bank for second year. You will get some of the interest. That is, principal is equals to 1100, okay, into, according to formula, principal, that is 1100. Now time is for 1 year into rate of interest R. Rate of interest R is 10%, divided by, formula we have, divided by 100. This 100, 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. 11 into 10, that is 11 into 10, that is 11 into 10, 0 0 0. Again with 1 you have to multiply with 0, 1 is 0, 0 1 is 0. Then you put this wrong mark here, into mark, again 1 is 1, 1 is 1. So you will get 1000. Okay, here you will get 0 0 plus 1 1, and here 1. You will get for 1100 we will get the interest of 110. For second month we will get the interest of 110. For second year we will get the interest of 110. For first year we got the interest of 100. For second year we will get the interest of 110. Why? Because this will be added. This will be added with this. So for first year you will get 100. For second year you will get 1100. Here you got total interest. Therefore total interest is 100 plus 110, that is 210 total interest. Here the total interest is 210. This is about simple interest. 1000 for 1 year at the rate of 10% we will get 100 simple interest. For second year we have total amount 1100. 1100 at 10% for 1 year we have 1100 amount. For 1100 they will give us 110 rupees. Okay, so for first year and second year we will get 2010. This is for first and second year combined. So these two combined you will get the interest of 210. This same interest we will get, that is called compound interest. See here, I will write the formula of compound interest. Now we will get the same answer. Now the formula for compound interest is A is equals to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole raised to n. Same I will take. This is our compound interest. A is equals to our principal amount. See, compound interest means 1000. I will kept it for 2 years. I will kept it for 2 years at the rate of 10%. I will get the benefit. Our benefit is 1000 plus 2 years benefit. Same value we will get, 210 value we will get. That I will write here now. P is 1000 into 1 plus rate of interest is 10 divided by 100. For how many years? For 2 years. For 2 years. Now see here, A is equals to 10,000. Okay, this 0 get cancelled. Now 10. Now okay, 1 plus 1 divided by 10 whole square. Now what is the next step here? 10,000 into 10 is the LCM. If 10 is LCM, 1 divided by 1 it is. I will take this 1 divided by 1 and multiply with this LCM. So I will get 1 into 10 is 10. Okay, now next, according to this, I will write plus this sign as it is, and I will take this term 1 divided by 10. 1 divided by 10 into LCM. 10 get cancelled, we get 1. So I will write here 1. Therefore now 1000, 10 plus 1 is 11 divided by 10 whole square. A is equals to, now see here, A is equals to 1000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Because we have a square here, so we will write this 11 by 10 two times. So this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 will cancel. So we will get 11 into 11 is 121 into 10. Okay, our answer is 121 into 10. 0, 0, 0. Next, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Therefore, 0, 1, 2, 1. Our answer is 1, 2, 1, 0. For 1000 compound interest, what is the compound interest we got? Our principal amount is 1000. For this 1000, we will get 1210 for 2 years. Means what? This 100 we will get the interest of this 100. For this 100 we will get the interest of 10. For this 100 we will get the interest of 10. That is what? Compound interest. Therefore compound interest, we have formula compound interest is equals to A. This is our A minus P. Compound interest is equals to A is our 1210 minus principal amount 1000. We will get 210. This is total interest for 2 year. Total interest for 2 year. The interest for the first year is 100. For this 1000, the interest for 1 year at the rate of 10%. For 1000, we will get the interest of 100 at the rate 10%. For 1000, we will get the interest of 100. For next year, total amount in the bank is 1100. Total amount in the bank is 1100. 1100, we will get the interest. For this 1100, we will get the interest of 110. Why? Because this 1000 is actual amount. This 100 rupees, this 100 is the interest. For this 100 we will get the interest of 10 for next year. That is compound interest. For this 100 you will get the 100 of. For this 100 you will get the interest of 10. Okay, that is compound interest. Directly we can solve the value of compound interest. That is, with the help of this formula we can solve the value of compound interest. If we keep 1000 for 2 years, you will get the interest of 210. How we will get the interest of 210? If you keep the 1000 for 1 year, you will get 100. If you keep next for 1 year, it will become, for 1000 it is converted into 1100. For next year you will keep this 1000 and this 100 also with this, it became 1100. 1100 for next year, for next year 1100 will get the interest of 110, not 100. Will get the interest of 110 because this 100 rupees is, for this 100 rupees you will get the interest of 10. For this 100 rupees you will get the interest of 10. That is called compound interest. Directly we will find for 2 years the compound interest. That is with the help of this formula. A is equals to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole raised to N. Now simple meaning of compound interest is 1000 for 1 year at the rate of 10%. According to formula, if you keep this 1000 in the bank for 1 year, for 10%, at the rate of 10%, for 1 year you will get this 1000, this 1000, this 1000 with interest. You will get the interest of 100 rupees. For second year, you have principal amount, total amount in the bank is 1100. Same for next year, means 1001 here, 1100 for 1 year. At the rate of 10%, you will get 1100 plus, for this 1000, in this you have 1100, for 1000 you will get the interest of 100. Again, for this 100 you will get the interest of 10. For this 100, the interest of 10 what you got, that is compound interest. That is for 2 year. For 1000, this 1000 you will get the interest 1110. For 1000 you will get the interest of, for 1000 you will get the interest of 210. Means this all will add it, 1100, 1210 it will become 1210. For 1000 you will get the interest of 210 for 2 years. That is our compound interest. That is our compound interest, 210. If you keep 1000 in the bank for 2 years, 1000 for 2 years, at the rate of 10%, you will get 1000. That definitely you will get, with this you will get 210. How you will get 210? For this 1000, for 1 year you will get 100. For 1 year you will get 100. Next year 1100. 1100 you will get, for 1000 you will get 100. For 1000 you will get 100. Okay, for this 100, you will get 10. That is the interest. Total here the amount is 1210. This is called compound interest. Now coming to the question, the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited, 10,000 is principal, 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum, means 1000 is deposited, compound interest at the rate of 1000 deposited, that is P, at the rate of 8%. Okay, the amount of money, the amount of money in the account every year, okay, when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest 8%, means compound interest 8%, means we have formula for compound interest. A is equals to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole raised to n. Therefore A is equals to, our P is 1000 into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole raised to n. Whole raised to n, that is for first year. Okay, this is our 1 AP, that I will write 1000 into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole raised to 1. For next year, we already did here for 2 years. For 2 years, our n is converted into 2. So this 1 plus R by 100 is converted into whole square. So I will write here 1000 into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole square. Again, next sequence is 1000 into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole cube. See here, 1 square, 1, then square, then cube. If you subtract this value and this value, you will not get a arithmetic progression because we have here square, so we can't get the arithmetic progression. So this is clearly not an AP. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at the rate of 8% per annum. For 1 year this is 8%, that is okay. At the rate is 8%. Here also rate is 8%. Here also rate is 8%. Rate is 8%. 1 plus 8 divided by 100. For first year it is 1 plus 8 divided by 100. For second year 1 plus 8 divided by 100 whole square. We have square, so clearly adjacent term of this series do not have a same difference between them. It will not have same difference. If you subtract this value and this value, that is lot of difference we will find, because we have square here, then we have cube. The value will increase simultaneously. Thank you.